Welcome. Today I'll be making Scotch eggs. Look at this beauty. So let's do this together. You can make this for your family. Let's go. You need sausage rolls, any sausage of your choice, eggs, boiled eggs, these breadcrumbs. These breadcrumbs, I made it myself, so I'll be posting the video after this one. So if you have not subscribed, subscribe to be getting the videos. I have pepper, paprika, salt, thyme, and curry. So feel free to join us. We'll do this together. Just take your time and skin your sausage. You can cut, you can peel. One thing is sure, some sausage are well sauced. This sausage is sauced but not much. If I'm using it for sausage roll, I'm not going to add anything. I use it direct. But today I'm spicing it a little bit. Be mindful of salt. Very, very important. If possible, avoid using salt. So I have flour. I've peeled my eggs very well. I have flour and one extra fresh egg. Yes, for the egg wash. Whisk the egg a little and you set aside. So first thing, I'll be mixing my sausage. This sausage has been in the freezer for a while, so I microwaved it to help it defrost. So I noticed some already congealed as if they are getting hot. So I have to remove any one that is very strong, so to make everything easy for me to mix properly. So take your time to do this. For the breadcrumb, I'll be posting the video after this video, so make sure you are on this channel. Add your paprika a little, add little curry, add your thyme, add little pepper. Pepper is optional. Due to I'm making this for my family, my husband loves pepper, so I normally add, though I added just a little because my daughter will still enjoy from this. So salt is not compulsory. If you don't know how to add salt, please don't add at all. Just a pinch of salt, that is all you need for this. Take your time to combine this very well. I added more paprika a little because I need the color to be a bit touched. You can use any sausage of your choice. You can use pork, you can use chicken, you can use beef. Any one you can lay your hand, all good. So after mixing, pick up extra plate and dust it with a little flour. You'll be placing the Scotch eggs right here so that it will not stick. You see what I'm doing? Just why I'm doing this first is to make sure there is no water around the eggs. Please be generous with your flour. Dust your hand very, very well. Some people complain, ma, please use gloves. Please, not everything you can work very well with your kitchen gloves. Please, if you can use kitchen glove, all good, fine. The main thing, make sure you wash your hands very, very well. Make sure you don't keep long nails, especially when you're working with your palms in the kitchen. So I've washed my hand very, very well. You can see how generously I'm handling that flour. That flour will help the sausage not to be sticking on your palms. Yes, handle it very, very generously. Take your time, mold it as if you're making egg rolls, a little at a time. Please be gentle because this meat, it can easily tear off. So take your time to mold it round. If there is much excess, feel free to reduce it and rub round with your flour, and you continue this way till you mold all out. Okay, when you're done molding everything, okay, look at that. Right now I'm done. So pick up your egg wash, dip one after the other. Take your time to do this. Like I said, make sure your hands are very clean. Place in your breadcrumbs and you try your best to make sure the breadcrumb covers very well. You can use your hand and remove with the breadcrumbs. In case you want to know how I make these beautiful breadcrumbs, I'll be posting the video after this one, so stick to my channel. If you have not subscribed, you're new, you're welcome to my channel. Feel free to be a part of this channel by clicking on the subscribe button. Click on the notification bell to be getting alerts of my new video. Subscription is free. Whenever I drop new video, you will get an alert. To my old subscribers, thanks a million for joining back today. Look at that, very easy. So these breadcrumbs, not only Scotch egg you can use it for, you can use it to fry your chicken. Yes, I'll be making that very soon in this channel. You can see how to use breadcrumbs and fry your chicken like KFC chicken. I'll be making it here, so don't forget to join, be a part of this channel. Okay, if you have not liked my video, what are you waiting for? Click on the like button, like my video, comment, share to your friends and family. Okay, just take your time till you're done. Look at that. So the next thing, place your oil in a deep frying pan. Allow it to be hot before you start pressing them one after the other. Fry on a medium heat. Very important. Take your time to fry on a medium heat. Don't mind my oil that is foaming. This is the oil I use for my frying. I've used it before now, so maybe that's why it's foaming up. So don't, if your oil is not foaming, no problem. I'm reusing it again, that's why it's foaming up. So take your time to fry till you have that golden brown. Look at that, very beautiful. Okay, when you get your golden brown, feel free to remove them and dry them up. Finally, my Scotch eggs are ready. Let me cut through it. This is so yummy and delicious. Make for your family. My daughter was asking for more and more and more. Look at that, so beautiful. Please don't forget to subscribe if you're new. Like my video, share to your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Bye.